The Vegas PBS Special Needs Resource Library is for everyone in Nevada who has or is serving those with special needs. Whether you live in Reno, Carson City, or Las Vegas, you can order up to 8 items that we will ship to you using the United States Postal Service. Every item comes with a return shipping label, so returning items is a breeze. To find the Special Needs Resource Library online, visit vegaspbs.org/special-needs/media. Before you can check out any items, you need to make a free account. You must be 18 years or older to create an account. Select the blue Request an Account Now tab to access this page. Be sure to review the lost, stolen, and shipping policies. By creating an account, you're accepting these policies. Fill out all the necessary information, including your first and last name, contact phone number, and address. Select the green button. You will receive an email containing your account information within 2 business days. Once you receive your account information, you can begin utilizing the library services. Searching the Special Needs Resource Library collection is easy. If you know what you're looking for, you can type titles or keywords into the search bar. For example, if you want to find the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, simply type the title into the search bar. You can search by keyword or narrow the search even further by using the optional drop-down menus. The first optional drop-down menu allows you to filter your search by utilizing keywords, titles, titles by subject, titles by author, subject browse, or author browse. You can filter the search results even further by limiting the format or limiting the audience level. Once you have selected appropriate items in the drop-down menus, you can click Submit. This search gave me 4 results. Looking through the titles, I know the second option is the book I want. To double check, click on the book title to be transported to the title page. The title page includes important details, including the audience, synopsis, and subject areas. Once you have confirmed this is the media title you want, click the green Pick button. You will be transported to the login page. Type in your client number and password. After successfully logging in, you will see the item title in your media shopping cart. To ensure the media is available, hit the green Test Availability button. A green check mark indicates that the title is available. If available, click the Submit button, otherwise continue your search. After successfully ordering media, you will receive an order confirmation. The page shows the titles you are checking out and how long you can check them out for. Media packages are prepared and shipped from our library within 2 business days. If you are ordering items for USPS delivery, you can order up to 8 items, including 3 educational games max. If you are a CCSD teacher, you can check out up to 10 items that will be delivered directly to your classroom via school mail. For more information about ordering, contact the Special Needs Resource Library via email at specialneeds@vegaspbs.org. You can also call us at 702-799-1010, option 7.